In this video, we'll show you how to permanently install your Starlink for best performance, cable protection, and long-term reliability. Let's begin by finding the ideal location for your Starlink. You'll want a clear view of the sky, free from obstructions. The Starlink app's built-in tool can help identify obstructions like hills, trees, or buildings. For best results, use the app at the exact height and location you plan to install your Starlink. For more information, watch our video on obstructions. Once you've found an ideal location, follow the prompts on the Starlink app to perform an initial setup of your Starlink. Now let's look at some mounting options. Your Starlink comes with a kickstand, allowing you to install it directly on a flat surface by using the pilot holes on the base of the mount. If the kickstand does not suit your needs, a variety of mounts are available on the Starlink shop, including installation on an eave, a wall, or a roof. Once you've decided on a mount, replace the kickstand with the parts included in your mounting kit. To do so, pinch the release tab and firmly pull the kickstand down. A pipe adapter is also available and is designed to fit existing roof mounts and pipes. Check out our accessories videos to learn more about our alternative mounting options. Now let's plan the route for your cable, keeping in mind the following. For best performance, you'll want to put your router centrally inside your home. When selecting a location to route your cable, avoid drilling into existing plumbing or electrical hardware. Lastly, make sure the cable is long enough, with enough slack to allow for changes due to heat and cold. When you're ready to route your cable, plug the Starlink cable into the router. Then route the other end of the cable to your Starlink. The Starlink shop offers longer cables and a cable routing kit to simplify the process. While routing the cable, protect the connector from damage, debris, and moisture, and be careful to avoid kinks and cuts in the cable. Next, connect the Starlink cable to your Starlink and the power supply into the router. When ready, plug the power supply into a standard wall outlet. Once powered, connect to the Starlink network through your phone's Wi-Fi. The app will notify you if any final adjustments to alignment are needed. Position the Starlink so it matches the image shown on your screen. Once aligned, use the thumb screw to lock the final position of your Starlink. To learn more, watch the video on how to align your Starlink. You've completed a permanent installation, ensuring a stable and consistent internet experience for your home. Starlink is designed for self-installation. If your home presents unique installation challenges, consider hiring a professional to help. For additional information on installing your Starlink safely, please review the Starlink installation instructions provided in the box.